Alright, so I'm going to do a little one-handed demo. Forgive me for the poor quality. I didn't bring my tripod today. So I'm going to try to do this one-handed, not drop the buffer or my phone in the water, or myself for that matter. There you go with that switch location. Especially one-handed, it's really hard to hit that switch doing that one-handed. But basically that's how you use this machine. Just kind of go overlapping side to side. Funny story. Sometimes I'll see people using orbitals or rotary polishers for that matter, holding the machine and doing circles, or holding the machine and doing kind of a wavy pattern. Not recommended. Either of those, not needed. First off, the machine head is spinning. With an orbital, you're getting a circle, but then you're also getting an up and down or a side to side rotation. That's why it's called an orbital. With a rotary, you want to cut one line and then come back over and remove that cut line, step it down, come over and back. And you kind of do that same process with an orbital too, just to make sure you're getting a nice overlapping and consistent application. So straight lines, following body lines, not going across body lines. That'll lead to wearing out gel coat especially, or paint for that matter. So like this line right here, I want to work that line below here, and then I want to work it above there, and maybe even across that line because it's kind of got a gradient edge right here. Can't really see it in this video probably, but you don't want to just come up and down against that because you're going to create wear marks in that eventually. It may not happen this time buffing it, but eventually you're going to wear that out if you just bump into it. So anytime there's a hard edge or hard line, you always want to follow it. It's just like sanding wood. You want to follow the grain. Well, in this case, you want to follow that line because you're going to create damage if you don't. All right, so this is what it looks like after applying with the Griots orbital, and then coming back and removing it with a white cotton or terry cloth towel. So again, this boat was in really good shape. This was a maintenance polishing using Meguiar's Flagship Premium.